Collingwood, blue mountain sunset, avata 360 glides through the calm sky, capturing the most beautiful sunset. Sky lights up with a rainbow of color. Night sky turns into a work of art. Jim's droning captures the moment with precision. Please subscribe and see more. Avata 360 does it all. The drone floats through the sky, capturing a 360 view of beauty. Sunsets here over BlueMountain is so calm and soothing. And Georgian Bay glistens with calm waters, a peaceful view of beauty. Only in Collingwood, Ontario.